Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Anika. I make makeup videos. I actually started this channel back in 2017 and I was never consistent. I have only 2 makeup videos so far and this is my 3rd one. If you guys are new here, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. This is a very easy DESI look you guys can create, and this is my go-to DESI look. Wherever I go, I use this. It's easy, just change the colors and easy procedure. So let's get started. I'm using the Farsali liquid gloss. It's I really like Farsali products. They're very good and it suits my skin perfectly. So I will be using all the Farsali products. Then I'm using my unicorn essence as my primer. It gives a very sticky base which sticks, which makes my foundation stay longer. I'm using blur also from Farsali. It minimizes my pore and it gives a very nice finish to around my nose area. I'm filling in my brows with the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer shade 315. It's the brown. I personally like brow pencils. It just makes, I can easily fill in my brows with that. And this is my go-to brow pencil. I've been using it for like 2 years and I still love it. I'm still in love with it. I'm doing color correction. This is from the Anastasia in contour palette, the pink shade, and I'm using it wherever I have discoloration. Now I'm using my Mercier concealer. It's the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer, and the shade is 3W. I prefer concealer before foundation. It just gives a better base for me, and I think it's for me it works best. So yeah. Then I'm using also the Mercier foundation, Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Foundation, and this is the shade Chai 4W2. It's a warm undertone shade. I'm a warm undertone, so I personally prefer this kind of warm undertone foundation. It's my own preference. Also, don't forget your neck whenever you're doing your foundation. Otherwise, it will look like you're wearing a mask. It's funny. Anyways, I will be using my Colorpop Hello palette. All the shades will be from that palette. I will give the names in the description box below. Don't forget to check that. This is the lightest brown I'm using to define my crease and my transition palette. Sorry, my transition color. And I'm blending it in very well. That's the only way to get a very nice flawless eye makeup. Then I'm using the deep brown from that same palette, and I'm just defining my crease and blending it in again and again. It's the key. I'm using the shimmery gold shade from the same palette and just putting it on my lid, and that's it. It's easiest way. There you go, guys. 2 minutes eye makeup. You guys can switch the colors and create your own, depending on what color clothes you guys will be wearing. For me, I will be wearing a pink sari with gold border, so that's why I put gold as on my lid. Then I'm using the Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. It's also from Maybelline New York, and it's really easy to do a wing with this pencil, and same thing, I've been using it for a long time and I buy it every time it's gone. So my go-to drugstore products are all mostly from Maybelline, so I love Maybelline. Then I'm just setting my contour with NYX contour palette, and I'm using the lightest contour shade from there. Also, not forgetting my nose, which is really important. Yes. Yeah. I always try to go back with and set everything with my beauty blender. It's my own way to do makeup, but definitely I think beauty blender just makes everything easier. Then I'm using my lash sensational full fan effect, also from Maybelline. That's the mascara from Maybelline. I personally don't prefer false lashes unless I'm doing a glam, so I try to keep it very simple for the eye product. Then I'm using a blush. To be honest, guys, this blush does not have any brand. I just got it. It was cheap and I liked the color, so I just got it. And yeah. Also the highlighter, same thing. Doesn't have any brand. I'm just using a random highlighter, to be honest. As long as it works. I always try to get high-end product for my foundation and concealer. But for blush, highlighter, I don't think so. You should spend so much money on it. It works the same for me. Then I'm using this lipstick is also from Maybelline, I believe. Oh, actually L'Oreal. I will leave the name under the description box. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed my video. Please leave a comment and let me know if you guys wanna see me more often. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.